Okay, fantastic. Okay, so what I could do is that I would uh, start with some lesson plan today, and then what we can do is that we will be able to go ahead, and then we will come back in terms of what do you call in terms of doing the course. Okay, I also wanted to do one more thing, right? So everybody keep the camera on, those who can, that will be good, because otherwise it's only Shushma and me, right? So keep the camera on, otherwise it feels like it is not a kind of a training program. Oh my God, power has gone for Shushma also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I shouldn't have said your name, I believe. Okay, so power is gone. Okay. See, I did an activity in another particular, it's not an activity, it's like a feedback I wanted to get, because we are halfway of this particular training program. So this Friday or this Saturday, completing how many? We will be completing 4 weeks of the training program. So what we will have is that we will have another 4 weeks left, right? So what I wanted to do is that I wanted to ask the participants, right, in terms like because 3 questions basically I'll ask you, right? So first thing is that let me just, if you want, I can type the questions here so that it will be easy for you. And I just wanted to do this the other day, but it happened because of the power issue in Karnataka, we couldn't do that. So I'm typing the questions here. This is just about the course, how it's going. What do you feel about, if you want to do, see something? It's kind of a feedback, right, as well. And also in terms like how you're enjoying this particular program, right? And if there is something which you would like to see, what is that you would like to see, and those kind of things, right? So question number 1 is like, I'll type one by one. So we don't have GD, so let's do this where I can make you talk as well, right? So otherwise, if I go to lesson plan only, it's something where you will not get the talking opportunity. So I'm typing one by one. So let me type. The first question is like, this is the first question. Okay. So the second question is, I'll explain one by one all the question. Okay, be honest and let honesty. Be honest and let everyone know how this training program is going to help you. Okay, fine. This is question number 2. Question number 3 is, okay, so this would be the question number 3. Okay, so I'll read one by one all these questions. Question number 1 is, what changes do you see in yourself? Because it's been 4 weeks and you precisely know what this training program is all about. It's of course language, but if you look, it's not in terms like building your grammar and those kind of thing. It's like giving confidence for you to speak, feel comfortable when you are in a group, and also express your opinion and share your thoughts in the language which in your capability, which you can do, right? Whatever you can do. So that is, and without hesitation, right? And with confidence, that is precisely. So that is what it is. So that's why our focus is more into listening and speaking, right? So if you see every day I'm making you talk something in the class, and also what I'm doing is that I'm also ensuring you're also listening. I'm asking something and trying to understand, are you able to listen me, right? Those kind of a thing, right? So that is what I'm doing, right? So what it is like, it's like, so first question is like, what changes do you see in yourself, right? So the first question is, what changes do you see in yourself? First thing, okay, what changes do you see in yourself? Meaning in last 4 weeks, this is the 4th week in running, what changes you see in yourself in terms of confidence, in terms of the language, in terms of how you speak, in terms of anything else you want to say. So I'm just giving you some clue. Second point is that I want you to be honest, right? Be honest and let everyone know how this training program is going to help you in future. I think I did ask you once before, but let me ask you again, right? So that was like initially. Now we are traveled 4 weeks. We have just another 4 weeks, right? So honestly, be honest. Let everyone know, meaning the other participants as well, how this training program is going to help you in future. What are the things which will help you in terms of how this training program is going to help you in future? Okay. Then next, do you see something added to this training? Do you want to see maybe something? So this could be added, that could be added. See, we're already doing a lot of activity. What we are doing, one thing is that we've started free speech. We are going to do GD, right? And then I started with another batch also, where we will start with a joke in the morning. So everybody will come with one joke, which they will share in English. So that is something which we can do. So those kind of activity, we already did the icebreakers, the very first session and all, right? There are a lot of role plays will come. So these are the things. So apart from this, do you want to see something added to this training? Something added? If so, what? What do you want to be added and why? Right? So why do you think it needs to be added? Okay, so this is precisely what it is. So let's start one by one. So so let me go to, I believe everybody have understood the question. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, right, when I'm coming to you as well. Okay, so let's start one by one. So let's start with this time Sumena.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
One thing is to help me to speak confidently first.
Okay.
And I speak confidently in group. I'm first in Google Meet, I'm talking.
Mm-hmm.
Then it helped me to understand the difficult words. And I'm writing a free speech in this session. Then it is very helpful to understand everything. And Rashmi sister sent the videos. Then she sent something. It's very good. We can understand about lives and how to face the problems. That's it. And you are always give the good things to us. How to improve our English skills. That's and thank you for teaching us very good things.
Okay.
Then
very much. And how about the second question?
how do you help this? It is very helpful because starting if we want to learn the English, we have to understand the basic things. In that class, we can understand basic things of English. That will be very helpful to us if we go any place, anywhere. It will be helpful, and it will be helpful for business things. We can always business things are going in English only. It will be helpful to us. I'm sure it is. This class will be definitely helpful to me in future.
Fabulous, fabulous. Okay, and for the last one.
Something. No, sir, I don't want to anything. Class is very good. It's going very goodly. I don't think to add something.
Okay. Okay, brilliant, Sumena. Fantastic. Good that I came to you. Fantastic one. Very from heart kind of an what do you call feedback. So it was nice to hear. And I can also see, because the passion in you, the way you did the free speech was something I told you the other day as well. And you have come a long way. in when you started and all, right? You're getting confidence is something I can see now, right? So you also use something like Rashmi's sister that was so nice, right? Okay, so so there's yes, these videos are very helpful. It's also helping your language, so it's very good. Nice to hear that. It's very nice to have a participant like you, and hopefully when we do 201, hopefully you would be able to join us as well in that. And I also know the passion because you were so upset. That is what Rashmi was telling me, right? When you couldn't submit the assessment because of some technical problem. So that is the that is the passion.
I attend the class. I know I attend the assessment. I answered all the question. At last, it's not submitted. It will be hurted me. So
I know. So you were very upset. So that's a kind of a passion. It's very unfortunate. Hopefully, so that is how the involvement is from you, and I can see you really eagerly want to come and attend, and so that is something very appreciated, Sumena. So fantastic one. So good that we have created another paper. I've created today, in fact. So the thing is that you will be getting it on Saturday, right? So this is something. Give it another shot. Hopefully this time it will not happen. As I said, if something goes wrong, always call Rashmi. She can always share the thing, right? So we will work something. So hopefully this one will be sorted out. So fabulous, Sumena. Thank you very much for sharing your thing. So carry this journey, and you have got a great capability, right? So that's something after this session or class as well. Don't what do you call? Take it easy. So somewhere down the line, on a regular basis, do that. And I'm sure maybe after a couple of years, if I see you or meet you, if I talk to you, I'll not realize that it is Sumena who was there in the training. So that capability you have. Fantastic. Great. So let me go to now Vinaya J. Shetty.
Sorry, sir. Power up, so I am off the camera.
Okay, fine.
First question: what changes do you see in yourself? It is very helpful in this training session. It is very helpful in myself. Starting, I am very nervous to talk with you or other, but now it's okay, sir. And grammatical mistakes are small grammatical mistakes are correction.
Okay.
And first question, that's all, sir. It is good in myself. And the second one, be honest and explain everyone. The training program going to help with your future. It is good, sir. It is good for my future. I'm easy to talking to another person. I improve my grammar also.
Last one, Vinaya J.
Last one, do you want? I don't know, sir, which training I want.
Meaning something else you want to see added in this training program, something we can do differently, or anything you want to add something, those kind of a thing, as I explained in the beginning.
No, sir, everything is good. Every training session is also good.
Okay.
So I don't know, extra added.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Great, Vinaya. Again, another participant I'm very happy with, actually, Vinaya, because initially, and do you see this change when you were there in the very first class or first week, and now you're on the fourth week? Do you see a lot of change in yourself? I see a lot of change in you, correct?
Yes, sir, right.
Because I see you are confidently, you're smiling, you're not like nervously looking in what's being said, you're able to understand what's being said, and then you're able to reply. So you're having a kind of a, right, so that kind of comfort level, something which I have seen, so I'm very happy. and it's never late, right? Yes, because you still have a long way to go in terms of career, so this can benefit you also in terms of many things, because you are a senior person in terms of the language, in terms of the client communication, or maybe anything, it can help you. And so that is something. So only thing is that carry this for future as well, because now you know you can use your daughter also for helping you for the language. Maybe start doing the speaking, don't stop it, and also that is something I can give you or maybe suggest you, so you will be able to do that. So thank you very much, Vinaya J, for sharing the thoughts. And now, very good. I believe Aarti Jaya is with us. So Aarti, I just want to pass a message to you. Are you there?
Yes, sir. I am.
Okay, fine. Aarti, so it was Bharti. Okay, sorry, Aarti, I'll just come to you in a second. Bharti, are you there with us? Bharati?
Yeah, hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Hello?
Bharti, I see you. Yes, I can hear you. We all can hear you. You're logging off and logging in, maybe some issue.
Yes,
Since you are
yes.
here, I just absolutely agree. Since you are here, just wanted to say that I'm sure you got some information from Rashmi, correct?
Sorry, sir.
No, because did Rashmi speak to you?
Yes, sir. I'm in red zone.
Hmm.
Yes,
Okay. See, let me. I'm sorry, Aarti, because we are giving you another opportunity. I believe you didn't do the speech and all, right? You understand?
yeah,
So,
sir. Tomorrow I will take
please,
the
okay.
speech.
Whatever you want to do.
Actually, I'm handling one of the insurance process and 46 members. So, and I'm in a year end now. So I have a very busy for handle process. So that's why I can't able to join regularly, sir.
Okay, just spend 5 minutes of your free speech.
Yeah, sure.
Did you do your assessment on Saturday?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, fine. So just complete this one. So that is something very important. Since you are there, I just right. Whatever network or something, just ensure tomorrow you're connecting with us and do this task. Okay.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Stay connected. I'll come back to you in a while. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Fine. Fantastic. Shushma, I'll go to Shushma now. So Shushma, the same questions which I asked other participants.
Changes I'm seeing. This program helps me to build up my confidence and to overcome my hesitation. And I'm learning new words every day.
Okay.
And practicing to speak in English. So I'm finding improving in these skills by this program. And next, for future, it is very helpful, especially in the career point of view. So especially this program is wonderful because the way you are conducting the program and you are supporting the candidates. So these are very wonderful. So that's it, sir.
Okay. Last point.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. Fine. Brilliant. So nice to hear these thoughts from you, right? And fantastic. Again, see, Shushma, you are the one. I feel like you have got great capabilities, right? This comes slightly bit easy for you in terms of the language. You're able to understand what's being said. You're very comfortable in speaking as well, right? So that is something which is great qualities which you have already. So this can only keep on getting better. So so you said these points, and so ensure that this is carrying on as well, right? So this doesn't what do you call stop with this particular activity here. So that is something very, very important. I'm sure just by interacting with you, I know that you are someone who will be carrying it. So that's something I'm thinking positively. So just do that. And for many of you, age is on your side. You have long career ahead. So do that, and remember always, because everybody is busy, everybody have work and all, but how do you achieve something which you want to achieve? By breaking the comfort zone, because that's precisely why we had that slide. So only if you break the comfort zone, you achieve success. So this is also entertaining. It's not like some heavy chemistry or mathematics book where you have to sit and do for 1 hour or 2 hours and all. It's something entertaining as well. I've said enough about this. So carry this. I see you have got great potential. That's what I want to reiterate. So ensure you carry this journey as well. And so I could see a lot of improvement has happened in you as well. And I'm sure next 4 weeks will be the same as well. Okay, so that is great. So fantastic. Nice to have you. Right. So let me move. Very good. Let me move on to Aarti Jaya. Aarti, are you there? Aarti? Okay, so hopefully not show. Aarti, you're there? Okay. Okay, fine. And so let me quickly, since Bharti is also connected with us. Bharti, I know work has kept you busy and you couldn't log in. Let me first check with you. Are you able to hear us? Okay. Bharti, are you able to hear us?
Hello. Yeah, yes, sir. I can't able to on my mic. That's why. Yes, tell me, sir.
Okay. You see some questions which I have typed in the thing. You couldn't, as I said, no, you couldn't come on a regular basis, maybe work and all, right? I understand. But you have been available on, you are the one who used to travel by the bus and all, right? Remember from this, correct?
Yeah, yes, sir. Now, yes, sir.
Absolutely. So I have to correct myself. You have been connecting with us through the mobile, I believe, on the travel as well. So you know what's exactly
Yes, sir.
Okay, so brilliant. So that is, I appreciate the commitment. So just wanted to ask you on these 3 questions. Do you see these 3 questions in the chat box?
No, sir. I'm automatically reconnected the call. That's why questions not available in chat box.
No problem. I'm going to type these questions again, right? So I've asked 3 questions from all the participants. First thing is that what changes do you see in yourself? So that's the first question. In this past 4 weeks, right?
Yeah, yes,
that's the first question. I'll read one by one to you.
Okay. I got a more confidence in speaking in front of others, though it's my answer for first question. So I get more confidence because I have a fear always speaking English in front of others. So I think little bit get confidence now.
Okay.
First question. And second, yes, surely it's helped to improve myself to my career because I have handled 46 members now. But I have not speak to English in my people because of this fear. So I surely it's helped to speak my people to English for my 46 people.
Okay. Wow.
And for the second question, and third one, morning video and image quiz is very interesting. So same like conducted some games. It's get more interested in this course. That's why I think.
Brilliant, Bharti, fabulous, right? Fun, right? So I'll take one by one. First said, see, Bharti, you again have great skills, Bharti. Do you? I'm not too sure whether you realize English comes very fluently to you. The way you're talking, you're very confident. The way you talk and all that, because of the process as well. So, and also in terms of the language as well, no, you are pretty someone, if you really a little bit of persistent effect, meaning continuous effort, you can reach really what do you call great heights in English. That's what I would say, because you speak very effortlessly. Even now when you're talking so effortlessly. So that is fantastic one. So something, and also maybe confidence comes from your mic. When you have to speak, you can switch it on, right?
Okay.
Okay. So now, Bharti, I'm sure you are listening. So the thing is that, see, confidence is something, with other participants as well, like Shushma, right? Other participants also in the group, right? It could be other participants, Sumena or any other participant, right? Confidence comes when because you haven't tried something. Only if you try, then the confidence will come, right? So you feel, oh, this is something. How can I talk in front of everybody, group? And I need to do some tasks and those kind of things. So only if you do. So I'm happy this platform has given you that particular thought where you're able to think, right? So this is something which is very easy. Why didn't I do? And one great thing which is a great thing for the English program itself is like where you are able to speak to your team members in English. So that is something we all can feel proud about in the English team, right? So in fact, like earlier, you were not able to talk to them, or you didn't want to talk, or you didn't think about talking to them in English, but now you're able to talk to them in English. That's fabulous one. So imagine you can make a change in next another 46 members whom you head, right? Whom you head. So this is something, this is great. And also, yes, the videos and all is well thought out. So it's a mixture of everything. So that is also, and there is also icing over the cake is some interesting questions from the video as well. So which is very simple, multiple choice. So hardly takes 5 to 10 minutes of your time for answering. If you've seen the videos, it may take less than that as well. So that is something great. So brilliant. So Bharti, I hope you would be regular for next 4 weeks as well. That's very important. And get the maximum benefit of it, and hopefully you can also participate in the activity and other things. Find some time where you can do that. If you
Sure,
can,
sir.
a little bit free, right? So believe me, it will help you. This is where the comfort zone, you're coming out of that comfort zone. I'm not saying it's comfort zone anymore, because you are seems very tight. So this effort, you believe me, you put for at least next 4 weeks is left. And I'm sure you will see great results. So this will help you, right? So that is fun.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fantastic. So let's see your free speech tomorrow. I'm interested.
Sure, sir. Sure,
Okay,
sir.
fantastic. Okay, so I believe Aarti Jaya is also joined us. Aarti, I tried to reach you. Now you have logged in from 2. I can see 2 Aarti Jaya. Are you there? In at least one of them. Okay, seems the Aarti Jaya is not there. Okay, who is Sony? Are you able to hear us? Okay, fine. So this will do, I believe. So this is fabulous. So good that we did this. We will do the same activity again when on maybe the penultimate day. Penultimate is not the last one, the one before the last one, right? So that is something I'm thinking where we can do. It's unfortunate we are not able to speak to Aarti, right? So she is here, but I'm not too sure whether she is able to listen to us. But happy that we could speak to other participants, and hopefully we will be getting an opportunity to speak to others as well. Okay, great. So what I think is that we have some what do you call? I believe words which we have, or let me see whether we can take one particular slide, and then yeah, we can take one particular slide today. Let me just do that. Then we will go on to our words vocabulary. Okay, so let's do this one, pretty important one. Okay, so this is something in terms like the pocket dynamo, right? So I believe, see, we completed all the facets of including the writing as well. One of these days I keep revising, so I will do it one of these days, not today. So what we have got today is that we are talking about the make best use of the pocket dynamo. So what is a pocket dynamo we are talking about here? Any participant? Shushma, what is the pocket dynamo we are talking about here? I'll put the picture.
Mobile, sir, I think.
Absolutely, that is what it is. Okay, so now the thing is that how can we use this phone for learning? See, we did something like smartphone. You spoke about, many of the participants spoke about smartphone, what is the benefit and how it can help you in general. But when we talk about it in English, no, there are several things you can do with this particular smartphone, right? There are several things. So apart from seeing the videos, apart from reading something, right? So let's see one by one. So there are a lot of videos which you can take up something. There are everything is there in terms of you want to see something like courtesy, or you want to see in terms like what are the 10 very good thing in terms of English which I can use in a sentence, maybe in terms of greetings and those. Some of these things covered in the next few classes, right? Those kind of a thing, right? So these videos will help you, and in terms like people who had difficulty, who couldn't speak, they're able to speak. So those kind of a motivation, something which can be done. There are a lot of reading which can be done. Reading is like reading right from news. If you like movies, or if you like something. So if you can do that in English, this will also help you, right? So same review of Kannada movie could be in English as well. So if you read that particular review, no, it will help you, right? Because it will help you the language. So in terms of reading, there are hundreds of things which you want to do, you can do. All you need is, of course, a smartphone and also an net connectivity. And then you're connected with the world. So you don't have to leave outside the house. See, this training program as well, how it's happening. Yes, of course, you're working. We are all working in Desi Crew, but we are getting connected remotely, right? So this is a blessing in disguise, or maybe this is a powerful thing. That's why I'm calling it pocket dynamo. So this is, what is dynamo? Anybody? What is dynamo? Anyone? Have you heard about this one, dynamo? Okay, no one has heard about this. Okay, dynamo is nothing but, see, this is dynamo is required for making a blast. Right, when you would have seen in some old movies, no, there is a what do you call, kind of a huge hill. So to blast the rock, they keep some what do you call, a blast material. That blast material is something like a dynamo, right? So that is like a blast. So similarly, why it's called pocket dynamo is like, so this is like a kind of a weapon with us, a tool with us, a powerful tool. So with this we can do and achieve a lot. So that's something. So that's why it's called pocket dynamo. So I talked about the reading. There are so many things which you can do in terms of reading. Then another very important thing is that, which is very, very important, vocabulary, which I also do, right? Which I also do. So vocabulary, suppose I'm reading the paper. So if you take even a, what do you call, half a sheet as well, you will get 10 words. Even I get a lot of words which I don't know, right? So what I do is that I keep this with me, and immediately, I'm sure everybody know, I don't know whether you can see. So what you can do is that when you go to your first screen, and this is something where you go, so you type, you just click here, there's a mic which is coming in, right? So there's a mic which is coming in. So all you got to do is that, so this is something which everyone can do. So suppose I don't know the meaning of what do you call, scary, for example, which is very easy, but maybe, right? Maybe or may not be, I don't know what is scary, right? So what I do is that I press the mic here, right? So I press the mic here. So I say scary. Scary.
Here's the definition of scary: informal, frightening, causing fear.
Okay. Sumena, could you hear this? See this?
Sir, I hear, but I'm not here properly.
That's okay. So this is only a sample, right? So that's okay if you're not able to hear. Have you used like this in the phone?
Starting, I have like this.
I'm sorry?
Starting at the when I get the mobile. That starting time I have do this.
Okay. After starting time, what happened? The mobile got old, so you stopped using.
Yes, I'm start typing.
Okay. Typing is also good. Very good. If you want to do typing also, but if you have lack of time, so what you can do is that you can say this to the phone, and so that will give you the thing. So this is something which we can. Thanks, Sumena. So this is something which we can employ. Now this is a great way of vocabulary. In the class we are doing good, Sumena. The power is back, I believe. So during the class, I'm giving three words, because if I give, I can give more words also. Then what will happen? It might be because you have other things as well, right? So now what will happen is that it will become very, very difficult for you. So now what I'm doing is that, so outside the class, you can. This could be your trainer,